Oh, it's about that time. It's time for the speculator. 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 Hey, I got the shoe stone tonight. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the pumpiest of them all? What is the magic mirror? Is it dielectric? Okay, let's jump right in. The markets are looking incredible. BTC doing amazing thing, 17 and a half, 17.7. Most importantly, I want to bring our attention to the BTC dominance, which is kind of like surprising for me. Such a big market, like 500 billion now. Yeah, you know, I've been the total market cap guy, but the fact that in such a big market nowadays, you know, BTC is still pretty strong, 65%. I hope this doesn't go all the way to 70% and start living there for too long. I think it's time for the rest of the market to start joining the party, and it's been right. Ethereum needs to go to 500. I thought that we would be seeing Ethereum at 500 before 500 billion, but this is even better, you know, because the momentum is coming this way. We know that DeFi is here to stay, is a reality, is a new reality, kind of like ICO was a new reality. But yeah, so we looking at Bondly, and we'll talk about Bondly, even though it's not one of the tokens we gonna be speculating on prices today, because it's gonna be related to a lot of the stuff that we're gonna be talking about. But this project that just coming out into the market, to whoever can get, probably, you know, the pre-sale was already done. Whoever can get this coin probably is gonna, in this bullish condition, probably is gonna see some happy time. The fact is that they're working hard, and many gray people in the crypto sphere are talking about them. So the hype is real. So this hype and is real. So I want to bring our attention to the fact that Zcash is having like, I really don't care about Zcash, but there's probably opportunities here, especially big money is looking at it. The fact is that in this market conditions, like now we have like I've been saying, if we go to 500 billion, we're probably not gonna come back ever below that. Kind of like what we did here with the $100 billion mark. We never came back even at the worst times. I think we're going into the trillions soon. It took about 12 years to get us to 500, like 500 stable. I understand it came up here, but 500 stable. It's gonna go the other 500, this other line, in probably a month or two. You know, within 2 months, I believe it could go to a trillion. My cousin always asks me, have you been guessing it right? Yes, up to this point, we've been saying that maybe BTC is gonna range from, you know, 16.5 to 13. I already blew that to the other side. But I think that it could still come and get, you know, the 20-30%. A lot of people waiting for that, so probably we're not going to see it for a while. But there are some technical, you know, the one thing about BTC price is that it behaves very technically, because most of the money is held by traders or people that already learn how to trade. But thought this was funny. What is it? What is this coins? Is it a commodity payment system, digital gold? We'll see. But yeah, I want to speculate on Orion protocol. You know why? Because it's a coin that is mentioned everywhere. Okay, they are the fact is like was giving people value now is the network value. So like now BTC is more valuable today than a year ago. Yeah, obviously there's a lot more connections and network to financial systems, and the price is catching up to it. Will this happen to Orion? I believe so. I believe so. And the fact is, okay, let's go into a little bit of TA technical analysis. And this is very simple, very, very simple. This is one of the few that we still have like great entries like this, okay, for such a good project, right? So we see it where it comes out, it pumps and it dumps, and it just like accumulates for a while. It seems to have found this floor, whatever, about 170. Um, so the fact that this hasn't pumped yet, we could see this went to 6. Yeah, we could see a few X's, at least a few X in within any amount of time, within a few days to a few weeks or whatever, so this is still great entry for Orion. um Next I want to speculate on IOTX. Everybody is excited about DeFi. DeFi is like a new reality again. We know about the ICO changed the world, right? Like being able to fund your project with no financial restrictions. Reality, other than the one self-imposed, basically. Um, and DeFi is a new reality. So people are able to be banking and do banking stuff. So this is aiming to do that in the IoT, machine economy type deal. This competes with IOTA, which I'm very familiar with. Um, this is like a long haul type of project, but the fact is, I want to point out to the fact that they are well known in many markets, and they haven't pumped yet. So this is why I want to bring it out to the attention today. At 45 million, it's not exactly a small coin, but for this market conditions, such a good project, vetted by many people. They're working hard. They're going for long uh, um, aims. They going for big aims, big size of new markets and stuff. So they're working way ahead in the future. However, this could be evaluated. Yes, at least to what did it do back in like okay, May. At least 100% this could do within a few weeks. It has done 34% already over the past 30 days, but this is now pumped how it could. Oh yes, so they also doing this coin burn is like deflationary as well. So that is good because that's the tokenomics, and they do apply at times, so people like that deflationary stuff. Bitcoin is not exactly deflationary until basically the total, but this is a POS mechanism that starts burning coins. So the thing is that you could see demand increase as the value as the total dispersed in the market reduces. So simple stuff. People are after this deflationary stuff, and the fact that the project is great too. So we'll see. Okay, so Alliance Block ALBT is a new coin, but it's a giant. Is going after huge aims here. Somewhat of a pump. It's been introduced into the market. How many markets out there? Not many. So this is good. You don't want to get in after the fact. You want to get in as soon as possible, actually, right? Speed is key in a bull market. These people have been better, Elliot is shouting out these people, so I found out about it, and they trying to do bridges between centralized finance and so I guess like legacy finance and DeFi stuff. So I've been after projects that are doing this kind of stuff. So they seem to have a lead into in already bridging with giants in the centralized finance market. So again, working with Orion, so that's why that was our first pick, and it'll probably be our first pick for a while. But Chainlink obviously is the darling of the market, and yes, so at these prices, for sure. This is not financial advice, for sure. But we will speculate. At 6 million market cap. I don't even look at when it's so little dollar denomination. I look at the total market cap for 6 million. Such a big aim, centralized finance, decentralized finance. This could go into $1 billion really quick. Within a bull market that is going into the trillions, yes, it can happen. We'll watch this thing very soon, and speculating on it right now. China. Okay, many people want to defund China in politics and stuff. I want China to progress and keep working, doing the best thing they like to do, work. So I don't have to work so much. So these people are doing, an Oracle machine, basically another link, the Chinese link, I call it. The fact is that it did pump tremendously back here, again in September, all the way to 21 cent. It's now a 5. Yes, and this the reason why I was bringing Bondly. Um, yeah, these people are doing great. Oh, actually, we'll listen to
We have
the
some
School of
altcoin news, and then we
Evangelicals.
go into Q&A. DOS Network has a news in terms of Bondly. So Bondly is a project right now that is adopting DOS Network as their oracle. So this is the official partnership. And all in all, what they're doing is interoperable, transparent, and portable DeFi swap protocol. And they are using right now DOS for price reference, public domain registration data, gaming platform asset transfer and ownership, social media account valuation metric. So we're gonna see how this.
So that's a lot. Pricing, social media valuation, all kinds of stuff. Bringing in. So these people. The good thing is that yeah, people talk about China and copying and all this stuff, but these people innovating a lot for a great uh, um, oracle that is trying to do the service cheaper, faster, and with innovation. Yes, at this price, 7 million is not exactly. It is like this is deep diving, even though this is an old project by now, you know. So yes, great speculation on DOS. DOS, whatever the price is, a 6 million, 7 million today. Great time. Speculate the price. Speculate the price. Speculate the price. Okay, let's speculate on XDAI. This is like classic entry for you to take tremendous gains. Okay, this is easy stuff. So big pump, dump, consolidation, and here total market cap 500. Yeah, I don't see this going much lower. Yeah, you could put. Actually, I should be talking more about stop losses. Um, yeah, you should be putting stop losses on everything. You know, at least mental reminders and stuff. You most of the time you truly don't have to react and in a millisecond. You would have time to make your decision. But at least if this goes, let's say, below 6, you may want to exit and then wait and get back on it, hopefully at an even better price, right? So um the key is not to let it go, the attention, let it go, not into projects like this. Okay, this is gold. Okay, this is monoatomic gold, how I call it, because this is layer 2 solution for Ethereum, right? Even Vitalik talks about XDAI. Everybody knows they brainiacs. They doing great stuff there, and they integrating a lot of project such as Chainlink. Come on, like so. In this layer 2 solution, you need this XDAI in order to function, kind of like Ethereum. So this is great. XDAI at this prices is not really a new coin, but look, still 28 million, not exactly huge. So great speculation, actually. Let's do this. Yes, I want to bring this project 4 million XIO flash staking. Not a lot of market. Okay, at least Hotbit, Uniswap. Anybody can do Uniswap, right? But not a huge project, but they have something that I like is that it's simple. Just flash staking. staking is a new reality. Everybody's doing staking. Even Bitcoiners are forced to do staking now. So the fact that there's people delivering flash staking, yes, I believe it's a good time to speculate on them. They haven't pumped really. They are a small project, so can they pump back here to where they were? Yes, at least that 85 cent, so 22 now, so that's a few X's there, a few doubles, right? So what else can we ask? Plus it's a nice project too. Okay, great project here. Incredible project. Actually, this is not quite deep diving, right? 50 million basically, but the fact that this hasn't really recovered fully, I would say it's like a quarter there, and then this should be popping after even higher than previous highs in August. Because this is launching nodes, simple, so again, staking, launching nodes, Web3, interoperability. Basically, this is the key of all the technologies now. Interoperability. Look, all these people that are can connect easy already and launching nodes from all these projects. This is insane. Okay, this is incredible. The fact that this hasn't taken off yet is only a matter of time. I believe so. Okay, and ending with UTrust UTK. Let's see, 6% over the last 30 days. Okay, they didn't lose a lot of value in this dump. Way back here, we were talking about them way back here, 80, 89, whatever. But it's at 13 cent right now. It could go obviously at least 100% here, 1x, one double, right? Very soon. It's not exactly a small project, but I wanted to shout them out today because they're gonna be an important, decentralized payment system, PayPal on the blockchain. So we need this kind of stuff, and I think the public is gonna absorb it as well. See, the markets are pumping, but not a lot of news and not a lot of activity within the general population within crypto. So we're still very, very early, even though this prices seem like, oh, how are you gonna buy something that went up whatever 600% over the year? Maybe is 200% or still, but it's just very early. So UTK, yes, at this prices 60 million, yes, speculating on that. And I want to give a freebie. Where is it? Oh yeah, so this is not a coin out there. CoinD5.org, you can go and check, but there's people doing peer-to-peer decentralized wallet exchange. So you can see the difference between the competition and them. They're gonna do this DEXs, decentralized exchanges anyway. Uniswap, okay, it could do what Uniswap does plus all this stuff. The main thing I'm excited about seeing is this atomic swap, because this other stuff, we'll see how it works. Okay, like AI and stuff, maybe it's there and it's possible, but who can use that kind of stuff today, right? Staking support, revenue sharing, but I want to see this atomic swap. I mean, it's just a nice a nice idea. Big shout out to Crypto Zombie for shouting these people out. Hey, as always, I hope you can extract some value out of the show and enjoy something.